Good morning, everybody. The other video I did, I showed the first cut on my sawmill. I ended up with doing a small log. I ended up with a nice 6x6 and a couple 1x. My friend found out I was using a sawmill yesterday. He calls me and says, hey, I've got some logs I had set aside in my yard for a project he was going to do. Decided against it. He had a machine at the house, so he said, if you want, you can come over with your dump truck and I'll load you. I ended up with 2 good sized loads of these logs. You look at them and you're like, yeah, all right, I'll go get them. So, but I want to show you over here. I cut one, the one I'm working on right now. It ends up being beautiful. I'm going to end up with some nice, probably 10 and 12 inch pine, 1-inch boards that I'm looking to get for a project I'm doing. This morning I cut the first 2 logs. I ended up with some nice 1x and 2x stuff. We ended up with some 1x10 rough cut boards. This is what I want to do, a siding. I got a project I'm doing. I ended up with some the slabs I cut off originally after logs I set aside, then I restacked them on. I ended up with some 3 2x8s, 1 2x10. But it's just weird, people call you up, hey, come get it for free. I haven't even got into my pile of logs yet. Even the 6x6, I had 2 logs my neighbor had, he brought over. So people find out you got a sawmill, like, hey, come get it, I'm not going to use it. So I'm kind of surprised that, you drive 5 miles away, you end up with a bunch of free logs, but I'm going to end up with some nice product out of it. We want to build some benches just to have around up here in the field, so when we're walking around we have certain areas we can sit down. We've decided this is going to be a good one. I think I'm going to try to take some 3-inch slabs off this for the benches I'm going to put together, but that's what you'll be seeing next.
He's going to be in the back.
We've got one knot that's hitting the blade guide right here. I'm going to cut off with a chainsaw just so it rides through. these slabs that are going to be 3 or 4 inches thick. I don't want to pull my back out on, so I'm going to, stuff like this, I'm going to drive the tractor up with the forks, slide it out onto the forks, so I'm not hurting myself doing this. Here's a size comparison so you can see how big that log is. So I ended up with a nice 3-inch slab. My wife's been wanting an outside rough cut, like live edge bench made. I want to make something big enough for 4 or 5 people to sit on. So what a later video you'll see, but I'm going to make it, I think I'm going to make it out of all, like I'm going to make the legs and everything out of like logs, make it real heavy duty. So, but you'll see that in a later video. But I want to get this done so we can get it drying. And that way I can get out from under it with the fork too. So these are the two outer pieces to those slabs we just made to make the bench out of. I was going to set these back on and see if I could get like a 2x8 out of them, but I like the shape of them and how they're natural. I believe we're going to use them as a sign on the entryway. I got 2 entryways to this field. I think I'll put the address on it and my name. We're either going to burn it in, or I'll take a router and put it in and then maybe burn them. But we want to do something with a sign with these 2 pieces. We're going to end the video. I wanted to show people, very happy with this machine. So Woodland Mills HM-126. I think we finally got it dialed in. I've had to adjust the throttle up a little bit to get it to where I was happy. I don't believe it was adjusted right originally with the first cuts I made, but we got it dialed in right now. I think we're going to be happy with it. I have learned real quick. I think it's going to be nice to have a machine around. 1 guy can do this all day long. 2 guys would be perfect, but a lot of times I think I'm going to be up here by myself, so I'm going to have to make sure there's a machine around with forks. Other than that, especially if you're cutting the 3-inch slabs, it's awful difficult to get them off here without hurting yourself. So, but till the next video, this is it.